I mean, there is this Abhay Deol film that's been released on Netflix called What Are the Odds? Yeah. So y'all should watch it though. What are the odds of watching a movie like that when there is so much else on Netflix to watch? So no, people, it sounds like a very critical, mean thing to say, but really, it's a very quirky film, you know. So so that way, if, for those looking for a very that breath of fresh air kind of different cinema, this would be it. But to be really honest, we're most of us watch movies to be entertained. Yeah, I mean, it's like so yeah, from a very shallow point of view, it's not all that great, but you should watch this film if you are looking at a very different take to life. Yeah, that itself sounds very intellectual, right? But really, so Abhay Deol it stars, and these whole bunch of other cute people, and you can catch the show on Netflix, on this movie. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.